Good morning to all. Myself Vinayak Thakur. Today I am going to start the new topic from the physical chemistry, that is Bronsted-Jerome equation. This topic belongs to unit 3 of the physical chemistry. This topic is very important towards the exam point of view. 4 marks question can be asked in the exam on the basis of numericals of Bronsted-Jerome equation. This is Bronsted-Jerome equation. In this equation, K is experimentally evaluated rate constant, K0 is Bronsted constant, ZA is charge on A species and ZB is charge on B species, and mu is ionic strength of the solution. This equation can be written in general form like this. 1.018 is a constant value. This constant value is replaced by 2a. Value of the A for the water is 0.509. So 2 into 0.509 we get a 1.018. Let's see problem on the basis of Bronsted-Jerome equation. What is effect of ionic strength on the rate of the following reaction? We have to check whether rate of the reaction increases or decreases or unaffected. Rate of the reaction increases, decreases or unaffected with respect to value of the ionic strength. We gave the three reaction. First is the hydrolysis of the ester. We get acid molecule and alcohol molecule. Second reaction is displacement reaction. In this reaction, bromo ligand is displaced by hydroxyl ligand. And third is the well-known reaction iodometric titration. Let's see solution of this numerical. For this solution, we have to firstly write the reaction. By using Bronsted-Jerome equation, this is a Bronsted-Jerome equation. Now we are considering ester molecule as a A species and water molecule as a B species. So charge on A species is 0 because ester is a neutral species having no charge. So ZA is equal to 0. H2 is water molecule is also neutral species, so having no charge, that is ZB is equal to 0. This product of the ZA and ZB is equal to 0. Now put this value in this equation, Bronsted-Jerome equation, we get this. This equation indicate that experimental rate constant is equal to Bronsted constant. This equation indicate that rate of the reaction is unaffected with increasing concentration of ionic strength. If we plot the graph log K versus ionic strength, we get this straight line like this. This line indicate that rate of the reaction is constant throughout the process with increasing value of the ionic strength. Now I am going on second reaction, that is displacement reaction. Now I am considering complex molecule as a A species and OH minus is a B species. So charge on this A species is +2 and charge on this B species is -1. So Za is equal to +2 and Zb is equal to -1. So product of the Za and Zb is equal to -2. Put this value in Bronsted-Jerome equation, we get this. 2a into -2 is equal to -4a. This equation follow the equation of the straight line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. If we plot graph log k versus ionic strength, we get a straight line having slope is -4a. This is a graph. When we plot the graph of the ln k versus ionic strength, we get a descending order straight line because slope of the line is negative. We know that slope of the descending order line is negative. This negative slope indicates that rate of the reaction is decreases with increasing concentration of ionic strength. Rate of the reaction decreases with increasing concentration of ionic strength because slope is negative. Now I am going on the third reaction, that is iodometric reaction. Now I am considering this is A species and this is a B species. The charge on A species is -2 and charge on the B species is -1. So Za is equal to -2 and Zb is equal to -1. So product of the Za and Zb is equal to 2. Put this value in Bronsted-Jerome equation, we get this. This equation also follow this equation of the straight line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. If we plot the graph log k versus ionic strength, we get a straight line having slope is positive +4a. This is a graph. We get a ascending order line. Slope of the ascending order line is positive. This slope of this line is positive. It indicates that rate of the reaction is increases with increasing concentration of solution, or with increasing or rate of the reaction increases with increasing value of the ionic strength because slope of the line is positive. If we are combining all the graph of the three reaction like this straight line indicate this straight line obtained from the first chemical reaction because rate of the reaction is constant. This line obtained from the second chemical equation because rate of the reaction is decreases, and this line obtained from the third chemical equation because rate of the reaction is increases. Now I am providing to you the hint. This can be help to you give quickly answer. Like species, rate of the reaction is increased. Like species mean both are, if the both species are positive or both species are negative, that time rate of the reaction is increases. Second, unlike species. Unlike species means one species is positive, another species is negative, or vice versa. rate of the reaction decreases. Neutral species. If one of the species is neutral out of the two species or both the species are neutral, that time rate of the reaction will be unaffected, that is a constant. Now I am taking example. In the first reaction, one species is positive, another species is also positive. Both species are positive, so rate of the reaction is increases. In second reaction, one species is negative, another species is also negative. Both the species are negative, so rate of the reaction is increases. In third, the sucrose molecule. Sucrose molecule is a neutral molecule having zero charge. One species is neutral, another species is negative. We know that neutral species rate of the reaction is unaffected. So here rate of the reaction is unaffected. That is a constant. If you have any doubt, then you can call me. Bye. Take care. Stay at home. Be safe.